Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its positioning as an insane car collection, in and of itself, the 2026 Launch Lamborghini Sleeper Motorhome represents a bold foray into the ultra-luxury, high-performance recreational vehicle market. This fictitious invention goes beyond the idea of a camper itself, suggesting a mobile haven intended not only for luxurious living but also to discreetly hide, and possibly even transport, a select collection of expensive cars. Extreme performance and understated luxury come together in this concept on a never-before-seen scale. The Sleeper Motorhome feature would be crucial from the outside, in contrast to other luxury RVs that are conspicuously gaudy. This Lamborghini may take on a less flamboyant, still unquestionably intimidating look. The overall form factor would need to be cleverly crafted to conceal its true purpose as a mobile automobile collection, even if there would be subtle traces of Lamborghini's aggressive design language, perhaps subtly incorporated angular lines, distinctive lighting signatures, or unique, low-profile attitude. Custom-designed, large-diameter wheels and an advanced air suspension system would allude to its underlying performance capabilities, but premium, maybe custom, matte or satin finishes could be used to absorb light and lessen visual prominence. The term sleeper suggests that its remarkable interior and secret payload would only become apparent upon activation or closer examination. Specifically, its ability to accommodate an insane car collection. This is the real wonder of the 2026 Lamborghini Sleeper Motorhome. A revolutionary internal architecture would be required for this. A substantial amount of the car's capacity would be devoted to a climate-controlled, secure, and technologically sophisticated garage in addition to the anticipated opulent living areas, which would include materials like custom-stitched Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and handmade leatherwork. To securely store and show several supercars or hypercars, this garage may use automated hydraulic lifts and advanced vehicle positioning systems. For cars like a Scion, a Revuelto, or even a rare vintage, picture a discrete side panel or rear portion that articulates open to expose a glass-encased, lit exhibition. The actual living space would be an example of ultra-luxury. The design would be extremely rich but minimalist, possibly influenced by the interiors of Lamborghini's super sports cars. Modern entertainment systems, a small but fully functional gourmet kitchen, ergonomically designed, custom-made chairs, and a private master suite are all expected. While sophisticated climate control would maintain ideal climatic conditions, advanced soundproofing would provide peace. With integrated satellite internet and secure communication systems, connectivity would be crucial. Such a vehicle would have exceptional performance. The underlying platform would need to be incredibly strong and solid to support the weight of the RV and its valuable payload, even though it wouldn't be a track monster. A custom-built electric drive system or a hybridized V12 might be used as part of a high-output powertrain to provide confident handling and smooth cruising. When customized for a large, expensive car, advanced driver assistance technologies would offer unmatched safety and convenience of use. Last but not least, the 2026 Launch Lamborghini Sleeper Motorhome is a concept for the person who wants the utmost in mobile luxury, as well as the ability to discreetly transport and appreciate their automotive masterpieces, turning every trip into an exhibition of their insane car collection in the most distinctive and exclusive way to be.